Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG on Thursday the 6th of December, and the FTSE 100 once again playing games with the 5900 level. At the moment we are to the right side of this, 59.10 up 20 on the day. And the first piece of stock news coming from Rolls-Royce. Serious fraud office is investigating them over corruption allegations. The shares lower by 3.5%. And when sticking with the misdemeanor theme, Standard Chartered, they're actually up 1.5% today, but this is after costing or pricing up more of their costs to do with their US antics. 330 million is the expected charge for them there in dollars. Now, further readings of Eurozone GDP come through at 10 a.m. for the third quarter. Nothing expected to be changed from the first readings, minus 0.1% the quarter-on-quarter figure. And then we've got the Bank of England and the ECB rate decisions at 12 and 12:45 respectively, although once again nothing is expected to be done there. Now, with Europe and the fiscal cliff still very much in focus, we are looking at a very low volume environment at the moment, and we start looking towards things like tomorrow's non-farm payrolls to drive trading sentiment. The first number since the election, and also crucially the first number since Hurricane Sandy, which is expected to have a big impact on the figure. We got yesterday's ADP private number coming in lower than expected at 118,000 jobs added to the US economy. Now, Apple had its biggest loss in 4 years yesterday, over 6% lower, against a rise in stocks like Nokia in Europe today. Nokia beating Apple to an important Chinese tie-in deal, and also talk that margin rates on Apple stock will be raised in the US, having an impact on the stock, and also obviously the tech-heavy Nasdaq index, and Apple's presence in the S&P also having a knock-on effect there. Today, overall though, US markets are currently looking unchanged. We're expecting opening calls of 14.09 for the S&P 500 and 130.30 for the Dow, pretty much where they closed yesterday. That's it for me. Do check out Insight for further news and analysis.